This is Colborne. Steps in over the blue line. Colborne taken down by Iginla. And then Iginla steps over to have a shot at Iginla, and away we go.
Oh, Iginla's going to get to him. There's no doubt about it. He's going to get to him here. I mentioned this earlier. This is not a moment where you throw a big hit. It's a 10-1 game. We've got less than a few minutes left. And this is why guys have a distaste for Alexei Emelin. It's plain and simple. There's no reason to throw that hit. And that's why Iginla went after him, and I don't blame him. And there's a guy playing in his 1500th game in a 10-1 loss who gets after him. And Emelin's backing up. He doesn't want to engage with him. And that's why a lot of people have a distaste for him. I mean, he plays hard. You got to give him credit. He plays hard. I don't think there's a place for that hit. At the end of the day, he low bridges him. That's just a ridiculous hit for me in a 10-1 hockey game. Why Joe Colborne didn't go after him right there, I have no idea. It's 10-1, Joe. Just drop your stuff and go. Get at the guy who just did that to you. So that shows something to me right there. So you let the old guy come in, Jarome Iginla, who's not going to put up with that. Martinson gets in there. You can rip his knee right out in a 10-1 game. Now, I get the odd guy out there is going to say, hey, you play to the end, you play to the whistle. But then why are you backing up? Why are you hiding behind Carey Price? Stand in there and take your lumps then. Like, why are you getting behind your goalie? Like, it just doesn't add up to me. I don't like the hit. That's my opinion. But at the end of the day, it's up to Joe Colborne to get up and discuss it with him immediately.